subscribe.
Quirky. It's hard to think of a term that more perfectly embodies a vehicle like the Hyundai Veloster. The same eye-catching styling and endearing cues that drew buyers in from the get-go carry over, but now they're a bit more grown-up. The new Veloster is sharper, more refined, and thanks to some extra engineering, it's more of a desirable product than ever. The first thing you'll notice is the new look. It's hard not to fall in love with the Veloster's sharp edges, especially when wearing the two-toned racing red and black paint job pictured here, one of 6 new color options added for 2019. The Veloster, particularly in the sporty-looking turbo trim with 18-inch wheels, is easily one of the best-looking, most stylish vehicles in its class. The new design is highlighted by a corporate cascading grille, similar here to siblings like the Elantra Sport and European i30. A sculpted lower diffuser, and functional air curtains continue the aggressive theme up front, while centrally mounted dual exhaust tips, and new LED taillights enhance the aggressive angles in the rear. Inside is much of the same. The cabin has been fully reworked, with a fun new two-tone, black and white offset color scheme, sport bucket seats, covered in either comfortable cloth or soft, high-quality leather, and a driver-centric layout. It's a significant styling upgrade over the outgoing model, but it's far from perfect. The cabin comes littered with way too many hard plastics, particularly on the door panels and dash, and features a cramped passenger seat. Shoving my 6-foot frame into this hard, confined corner of the vehicle wasn't nearly as comfortable as sitting in the driver's seat. And no matter the trim, buyers cannot option electronically controlled seats. Given its performance credentials, you might not guess that safety is also a strong selling point for the Veloster. The handsome hatch comes standard with collision avoidance and lane keep assist. The latter works impressively on the highway, keeping the vehicle perfectly centered without ping-ponging it from one side of the lane to the other. Driver attention warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and high beam assist could also be optioned, further lending credence to the Veloster's safety capabilities. The cheapest Veloster you can get, a 2.0-liter with a 6-speed manual, starts at a reasonable $18,500, but in terms of affordable performance, the $22,900 R spec is the sweet spot. It's significantly cheaper than less powerful rivals like the Mini Cooper S, $26,400, and even sporty sedans like the Honda Civic C, $24,100, and though it's down on power compared to the GTI, it's more than $3,500 cheaper. If you want the fully loaded Turbo Ultimate with a 7-speed DCT, you'll have to dish out a bit more. That model comes in at $28,150. All told, the Veloster carves out a unique niche in this segment. If you want something more basic and a bit blasé, you might be drawn more to the GTI, but if you want quirky styling paired with fun driving dynamics, and superior safety tech, the Veloster Turbo is the hot hatch to get.